Nation News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Happy Friday to all of you, and to you too, Jason.
Yeah.
You know, we're moving in toward another weekend, and it feels like it's getting a little bit hotter and hotter as we get towards our Saturday.
Definitely. On Wednesday and Thursday, both those days, incredibly
nice.
comfortable for August. It was amazing. Today, we're back to our regularly scheduled August already in progress. We do have hotter weather occurring. Very few thunderstorms, but I wanted to show you this really cool visible satellite loop. We can see all these thunderstorms that are just blowing up on the eastern slopes of the Sierra right now, everything pushing into Nevada itself, but you can see just how huge those cumulonimbus clouds are. Also a nice little eddy there near the San Francisco Bay Area, and we also unfortunately still have the smoke. This is that Salmon Complex fire that's burning in far northwestern California, but it's good to see a lot less smoke in the air now than we've had for quite some time. So at least the fire situation is going the right direction for us. You can see in the distance, also looking for our sawmill outlook, you can see those thunderstorms way in the distance off in the east, and the weather is looking very good right now for most locations. The fire danger is not as bad as it could be this time of year. We're still going to have hotter weather over the weekend. Temperatures between 95 in the foothills and 105 degrees in the valleys. Could be a little bit hotter than that on Sunday compared to tomorrow. But thankfully the wind will be weaker than it was either Wednesday or Thursday. Humidity still pretty low, not as low as it could be. So we're going to keep the lower elevation fire danger in the moderate category. However, when you get to the mountains, it is still higher there. Please be cautious of that if you're going to have any weekend plans. If you are going to be doing anything outdoors, make sure you're careful because we could have any fires start and spread quickly with all the dry air, the hot weather, and the dry fuel on the ground. So temperatures right now are looking pretty good. 101 degrees right now, hotter and above average for Redding and Red Bluff right now. It's 91 degrees in Chico, 85 degrees in Chester, as well as Magalia, and 86 degrees in Paradise. As far as the clouds are concerned, you can see those clouds on our sawmill cam. You got some thunderstorms that are breaking out just to the west of Reno and just to the north of Lake Tahoe, but far away from that, we have just a couple clouds over the mountains. We're not expecting very much at all over the weekend into early next week. We just have a couple clouds, mainly over the mountains, a slight chance for some showers and thunderstorms over the Sierra, and that's really all we're going to have. Temperatures will get hotter tomorrow than today, and then hotter on Sunday compared to tomorrow. So if you want to do some golfing, here's your golf forecast. It's going to be a little bit warmer in the morning and certainly hotter by the afternoon. 78 degrees on average around the valley at 8 a.m. Upper 80s at the noon hour, upper 90s by 3 p.m. with a good chance for some triple-digit heat around many valley areas by late tomorrow afternoon. Here's the forecast for everyone else on Saturday. We'll have a mostly sunny sky. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s and lower to mid-90s for the northern mountains. For the Sierra, mainly lower to mid-90s. We'll have upper 80s around Alturas with a slight chance for some showers and thunderstorms. For Paradise, starting the day at 68 degrees, we'll have a high tomorrow of 92, certainly hotter than it was today. And for the Valley, we'll have upper 60s and lower 70s for lows tomorrow morning, not getting quite as cool as it has been. And with that boost, we'll have even more heat in the afternoon, a high of 102 in Corning, 103 degrees in Red Bluff, and 105 in Redding. For the Chico area, we'll have lows in the 60s and lower 70s tomorrow morning, leading to a hotter afternoon also. Highs between 97 and 100 degrees on your Saturday, and a few degrees warmer than that on Sunday with a high of 100 degrees. We'll have more 90s much of next week with some breezes Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And for Redding, it's going to get significantly hotter. Our average high is 99. We're going to be overachieving Saturday through Tuesday with highs in the triple digits, and then slowly cooling down to the upper 90s by Wednesday.
Looks like a long weekend. Thanks, Jason.